Hello friends, welcome back to the Ice and Share channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix guided access not working on iOS 18. Fix 1 Ray Enable Guided Access feature. Tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Guided Access. Then turn off guided access. Exit the Settings app. Finally, toggle on the guided access option in Settings app. Fix to check guided access settings. Open Settings. Tap Accessibility. Tap Guided Access. Tap Passcode Settings. Tap Set Guided Access Passcode. OK, enter your passcode. Fix 3 Check your screen time settings. Open Settings. Tap Screen Time. Tap App Limits. Then choose all apps and categories. Enter the screen time passcode. Now enable the app limit. Tap Edit List. Then check if the apps requiring guided access are on the restricted list. Fix for restart the iPhone, iPad. Press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. Minutes later, you can press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Fix 5 Update the iOS software. Get the iPhone connected to your computer. Then open iTunes. iTunes detects there is a new iPhone software version for your iPhone. Click Download and Update to continue. The new iOS software is downloading. Well done, the iPhone has been updated. Fix 6 Reset all settings. Tap Settings. Then tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset all settings. Input your passcode. Tap Reset all settings again. Confirm to reset all settings. Okay, now all settings are reset to default. Fix 7 Factory Reset iPhone. Tap Settings. Then tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Tap Erase iPhone. Enter the screen lock passcode. Enter the screen time passcode. OK, the iPhone is reset to factory settings. Fix 8 Use iOS Repair Tool to fix the guided access not working issue. iSenshare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system repair software that can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. You can use it to fix the guided access not working issue if it is caused by system glitches. Download iSenshare iOS Repair Genius from iSenshare.com. Open the software and click System Repair. Then select the Standard Mode option. OK, hit the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Hit the Next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the Repair button. Finally, the iPhone system issue is repaired successfully. Your iPhone will reboot at the same time. That's all for the video.